So we're in a pretty cool little street here in Bangkok for dinner tonight. It's got a whole bunch of like restaurants in it. Like you got restaurants all back that way. And at this cool restaurant here, it's called Plum. And we got the Chilling House Cafe over there. And there's a cat cafe on the other side of this building that I'm going to go to afterwards, and hopefully I can film in there. It's a cat cafe. Like, it doesn't look like a cat cafe. So I think I ordered sea bass for dinner. So we'll see how that is. We'll get some shots of that when it comes out. But it's a pretty cool little street here. It's just in like the middle of Bangkok. We're like a block or two up from the main malls. And yeah, we'll see what dinner's like. So I'm in the cat cafe now, and I've got a cat sleeping there. I've got two cats behind the table, and I've got look how cute this guy is. Oh my god, this is literally the best thing ever. Oh, I don't know if I'll ever leave this place. This is amazing. So they say that Disneyland and Disney World are like the happiest places on earth, but to be honest, I think cat cafes are the happiest places on earth. If you're ever in Bangkok, you gotta come to the Catterday Cafe here in downtown Bangkok. It's a little shop that's down like a little street, and there's a little sign there, the Catterday Cafe. It's a pretty great place. Get food, it's cheap, 200 baht. You get in and get some food, pet some cats, play with the cats. It is amazing. We're gonna head back to the hotel now, and yeah, end tonight. See you guys. So we are at the Grand Royal Palace here in Bangkok. You can't see too much right now. You can kind of just see the tops there, but apparently this is pretty nice place. Had to wear pants today to get in here, so it's been kind of hot. I've been walking for a long time too, so I was walking like way up north down here. I was walking for like probably an hour or so, and then I decided to take a tuk-tuk, but we're here now anyways, so we're gonna head in, take a look. So we just went into this building here behind me. There's the Emerald Buddha is in there. Couldn't take any video or pictures though, I was not allowed to in there, but it was really nice. Lots of murals on the wall, lots of gold. The Emerald Buddha, there were some monks in there as well. Everyone's praying, and it was really peaceful, really nice. But this whole place, super nice. Like this building behind me, everything's covered in gold. It's pretty spectacular place, to be honest. But we're gonna keep walking the Grand Palace. The actual palace is just about that way, so we're gonna walk over there, get some shots of that, and keep going. This place is beautiful. Really nice place. It's I've never seen anything like it, to be honest. You know, in Canada, nothing like this. Obviously, I mean, it's Asian architecture. It's a lot different than Canadian architecture or North American architecture for that, but it's I have no words to describe it really. It's just amazing. Like these buildings behind me. And look at that. How beautiful is that building? And like, it's just amazing, you know? But we're almost through. I tell you, it's a hot day out today. It's very hot. It's in you know, low to mid 30s today. Sun's beating down, no clouds in the sky, so I'm sweating buckets here. But yeah, that's the Grand Royal Palace here in Bangkok. It's pretty incredible. If you ever come to Bangkok, make sure you check this place out. It's something. It's something. Anyways, take a break for a few minutes, get back up, head on out of here, and then head back to like downtown Bangkok and see what else we can find. So we're on the riverboat. We're heading back into downtown Bangkok now. It's nice not to walk. It's pretty far away, and taxi would be expensive. It was like 15 baht to take this. It should be 100 baht to get into like this was like a monastery thing before I actually catch the boat. So it really is 115 baht. But still not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, I'll catch up with you. We're gonna catch the BTS, which is like the tram back up to the mall and grab some food at the mall. I'm gonna head back to the hotel after that. But yeah, I'll get some shots of the river here while we're going, and see you in a bit. Today is the day that we leave Thailand. We are flying to Dubai today. We're flying business today.